I'm curious if you strongly feel we should stop the long distance running, the Spartan
Oh,
racing, the CrossFitting. Like, is all of that off the table as we go through this?
no, I don't think I am not the orthopedic surgeon that is ever going to tell you to stop running because it's going to give you arthritis. Number one, there's
Mm, okay.
no data at all. I am never going to stop you from wanting to achieve a goal. I do Spartan
Mm,
races. I mean, one of my first Spartan race was several years ago. At that time I was 56, and someone actually said that. I was giving a speech, and as I walked on, the introducer's like, and she ran her first Spartan race at 56, and I started thinking, what does that have to do with it? I'm
right.
I'm capable. I believe that I'm going to try it and not die. So no, I am not saying, but what I'm saying is you need to train differently. And you need to harness the wisdom of your age, not to be a jackass out there and just think that because you were 20 and could do it, you can do it now, right?
Right.
Unless you've been training for that, keeping your tendons and ligaments springy, building muscle mass, feeding your body, don't expect it to respond like it did the morning you woke up from partying the night before and you ran a race. That doesn't happen at our age,
No.
right? So
Yeah. And what about rucking? Rucking is making quite I'm sure you're getting asked this all the time. And I'll tell you my behind the
yeah,
scenes.
tell me.
I watched all the rucking and I watched all the women that were rucking. And the first thing I thought is, are you fucking kidding me? I can't just go for a run. I can't just go for a hike. Now I gotta put a goddamn weighted vest on. Like
Yeah,
I was like, I'm rebelling against
you
this.
are.
And
So,
then I put one on. And
oh, you loved it.
I loved it.
What did you love about it?
Well, so at the time I was living in LA and our neighborhood had a really like a steep hill. And so if I put it on
Huh.
and I walked up the hill, I had the same cardiovascular impact that I did as if I was running a sprint on
Yeah.
a track.
Yes.
So, but I didn't have the joint jamming and I got the high and I got all of it. So then I was addicted.
So I am so glad you said that because the data are, come on, the data on whether it builds bone density are kind of plus minus, really small
Okay.
study. It's really big in the menopause circles. And I'm never
Okay.
going to encourage women not to do it if it makes them feel like they're achieving something. But if it's the end of all and cure all weighted vest, maybe they increase your bone density 1 to 3% consistently. But you know why I like it?
Yeah. Tell me.
So I have a 20-pound weighted vest. Exactly what you found. I can get the same work out at
Yeah.
less intensity. My heart rate it's about 10 extra beats per minute with this.
Yeah.
I wear a full vest, 10 extra beats per minute. I'm feeling all like badassery because I'm wearing this vest. But you know what? The vest I have, I wear a rucksack vest. It has these
Okay.
little ties on the side. It does something to my nervous system.
Oh,
So
ooh, ooh.
tight. It's like a hug.
Yes.
It's like, you're upset. Okay, hug from behind,
Yes.
calming my nervous. I don't know if that's real, but
Yes.
that's what I feel. That, oh,
So
it's a calming of my nervous system now.
I'm so happy you said that because I thought the same thing. I came back and I was like, I am so happy and so calm and I don't know what's going on. And I thought it reminded me when my kids were in kindergarten. I remember there was a kid that would act up in class
And
all the
you just
time.
hug them.
Well, actually, what the mom did is
Uh-huh.
she brought in a bunch of weighted frogs, like those, like frogs, like stuffy frogs, but they were heavy, like a beanbag. And it was a parent participation class. And she said, if Joey acts up, put a frog on his shoulder. And I remember at the time thinking, really, like that's really going to help Joey in his tantrum. And then one day I was in class and Joey acted up, and I pulled a frog out and I put it on his back, and sure enough, he quieted. And then I started putting these weighted frogs on my kids and on the other. I'm like, let's calm everybody down. And so when I put the rucking vest on, I thought the same thing. It's like a weighted blanket. It's like
Mhm.
and at a time when our nervous system is so frazzled, it
Yes.
gives you that added sense of security.
Yes. And you know what? One day I was just wearing it around the house, cleaning the house. My
Oh,
my daughter's like, "Oh, you're wearing your vest?" I'm like, "It just does something to calm me."
that is amazing.
Yeah,
There's somebody needs to come up with like a funny meme where like a menopausal woman is like highly agitated, and then she puts a rucking vest on. Is like, yeah,
yeah.
it's really, I don't think it gets enough credit for that. And I went back to go look at the evolutionary explanation for why rucking might be helpful to menopausal
Mm,
women.
mm,
And if you go and you look at like, people like Kristen Hawkes, who's the champion of the grandmother
mhm,
hypothesis and has studied the Hadza tribe, what the postmenopausal women do in the Hadza tribe is they go for a walk every day to go forage for food,
mhm,
but they take the kids, like the toddlers, like the 4 and 5 year
mm,
olds that couldn't go out and hunt and aren't really staying at home with the women who are nursing and
mhm.
pregnant, and they would put them on their back
Oh,
and they would walk with them. Yeah, they're talk. I mean, when you study the grandmother hypothesis, you realize that we are fitness wise not meant to perish. We're actually meant to be even better than ever.
yeah.
But it is, and then she would get a bunch of tubers. She would put them on her head. So she was constantly weighting herself,
Ah,
which is an
mhm.
evolutionary design.
Interesting. It makes sense. It really makes sense. And you made me think. I have this gorgeous 40-pound grandson
Put them
who
on your back.
put him on my back. I lift him up to the
Yeah.
swing set. So it makes so much sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, he can be your strength training, and then you're getting oxytocin with him. Like the
Oh,
whole thing is
oh,
amazing.